Yeah, thanks, Loki. Next time you're in town, since you taught my fourth graders math this year, hey, you and me, we'll go to dinner, we'll go out to the movie, we'll just go have a good time. Because it's not often that you come back to Earth, right? All right, thanks. Tell Thor hey, and we'll talk again soon. Hey, guys, wasn't that cool? Loki stopped by to teach you about area and perimeter. Can you believe it? I know. He's much better looking in our videos than he is in the movies, right? All those lights and stuff. All right. Anyways, he was talking to you about area and perimeter. If you remember, area was the fist. That's right in the middle. All this in here. And perimeter, we did the letter P, and then we walked all the way around. Now, a couple of things we need to know about our shapes, though, is that when we have a rectangle, two sides are the same, and then the other two sides are the same. Kind of cool, right? If it's a square, all four sides are the same. So let's take a look at this one. So I know if I have a 10 on this side, well, it's a rectangle, so this side is also 10. And then I know that if this side is 20, this side is also 20. Whoops, not 10, 20. Okay, so to find the perimeter, what do you think we're going to do? Let's have this table over here. Anybody from there, actually that whole table. How do you think we're going to find out how long it is to go all the way around? You guys are so smart. Yes, we're going to add those up, right? We're going to add those together. So we have 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 10 is 50, plus 10 is 60. So that means our perimeter, because that was around, is 20, 40, 50, 60. And we're just going to put inches there. I forgot to put that on there. Whoops. All right, so now we want to solve the area, this inside portion. Now, if we add those up, we're just finding out how long or how far it is to walk all the way around it. So that's not going to work for us, is it? To do that, I want you to think when we learned about rows and columns. Rows, columns, rows, columns, rows, columns. I better slow down or I might take off. All right, let's take a look. So going across, I know I've got 10 rows. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew, it's a lot of drawing. Now coming down, I have 20 columns. Oh boy, that's a lot to draw, isn't it? Let's draw it. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. I know, and you guys complain about having to draw on your little iPad. I have to draw on the big board. Maybe I should have Loki back to do this for me. All right, so we've got all those. Now I could do a couple of things to find out what the area is inside. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind, these are squares, correct? They're square inches. So our answer, our clothes, so we don't have a naked number, is gonna be square inches. So for this, I can count those all up, and it's inches, or square inches, just like that. But a little bit easier way. You ready for this? This is so cool. Take that 10. What do you think I'm going to do with that 10? All right, so we asked over here. Let's come over here, this side. Wow, you guys are pretty much better looking than that side. Go figure. Don't tell them I said that, though. All right, so now, what do you think I'm going to do to solve the area, the inside? I can count those up or do what? Wow. Might be better looking, but they might be a little bit quicker. Just kidding. You're all great. All right, what I would do is I could take one side times the other side since they're equal. So that would be 10 times 20. Isn't that crazy? Now we know anytime that we times by 10, we just have to add a 0. So I've got 20 and a 0. So my area is 200 square inches, and my perimeter, the length around, was 60 inches. All right, you've got some practice questions to try now. I want you to do your best. If you're not sure, maybe think for a little bit. What are they asking me? Are they asking me what's inside, or are they asking me how long or how far it is to go around? Good luck.